Sneha Devekar and today is the last and fifth lecture of the Senior Dental Care lecture series. Today I'm going to talk about what are the challenges of providing dental care to the elderly in India and what is the dentist's role in overcoming these barriers and providing good, accessible and reasonable dental care to the elderly. Now there are various the older patients, they face a lot of numerous oral and dental problems and which are on the rise. Now there are various reasons why such oral problems are rise in India. First of all, there are no proper preventive dental and oral prevention programs as targeting or focusing on the elders in India. Secondly, there is a very bizarre distribution of the dental practitioners, whereas more practitioners are residing in the city or the urban areas, and very less practitioners are there in the rural areas. Whereas the elderly population is 80% of population is more seen in the rural areas. Now, dental care facilities are there in government hospitals, but there is a very long queue and there are long appointments for that. Then if the elder person has to travel to the dentist or the government hospital or to wherever, whichever place, the geographical terrain, the poor accessibility, and sometimes, many times the elder person is not accompanied or properly supported by someone, because sometimes the elder patients are frail, they cannot go to a certain place by themselves. So if they do not have proper social support, then they are discouraged from going to the dentist or the dental office or to any dental hospital. Other things, there are not enough dental insurance schemes in India, and also those schemes that are there do not involve dental treatment. What they do is involve the dental treatment only for the emergency purpose. So all these reasons, all these various reasons are there, which cause a lot of barrier to the providing dental care. And along with this, another problem is the senior citizens' health, their financial status, the social support, the family, what kind of priority and influence they can have on the oral care priority. Because most of what we see from our patients and wherever in senior citizen institutions or any such places, ashrams that we go, what we see is that oral care is not given enough priority by the elders themselves and by their caregivers as well. So, it is very important to improve the dental facilities for the elders, provide them and their caregivers proper education on senior dental care, and provide proper and reasonable services to them. So the dentist will play a very important role in all this. First of all, dental offices or dental clinics, dental hospitals, they should have a proper design, as in they should provide a good access for the senior patients to come in. Like for example, wheelchair facility, proper lifts should be there. Then additional chair supports or arm supports should be there for the senior citizen to sit in the dental clinic. Then there are many other things like the supporting staff or the assisting staff in the clinic should be well trained in managing the senior patient. Then the dentist and the dental staff should properly educate and train the various nurses, caregivers, etc. regarding how to take proper oral care for these seniors. Now these seniors, many times they are not able to see small write-ups very properly. So educational material in shape in brochures, magazines, booklets, whatever form it is, it should be in a bigger font so that it is very easy for them to see. And along with the written media, the social media or TV, radio, Facebook, YouTube, as what we are doing now, all these informative media and channels are very important to provide proper, correct information on senior dental care, not just to the senior citizens themselves, but to their caregivers, their physicians, the nurses, and their family members as well. When the senior patient comes to the dental clinic, the dentist will take a detailed case history of the patient, including the medical, the social, the dental history in entire detail. Because the main thing here is there are a lot of medical issues and social problems associated with the oral care or lack of oral care in the senior patient. So it is not just enough that okay, now a patient has come, these are the problems and these are the solution, I will do the solution, that's the end of it. No, the whole thing doesn't end here. The main problem is we as dentists, we should try and change the mentality or the mindset of the patient and the caregivers as well. And to come to a plan or to decide a treatment plan for the elderly patient, the dentist has to have a multidisciplinary approach, as in the dentist has to involve other dental and medical specialists. Like in dental specialists, the dentist, if he is a general dentist, then he or she, they need to involve the gum surgeon, the oral surgeon, the prosthodontist, etc. And the medical specialists, like in case the patient is having any medical issues, the patient's own diabetologist or any other geriatric physician or neurosurgeon or the healthcare staff which is there for the senior citizen, in case if the senior citizen in an institution, staying in an institution. So dental care for the elderly is surely a team approach. Okay, and this is how the dentist will try and overcome all the small barriers for the senior dental care, in a stepwise manner. So, before I end all this entire lecture series, it would be incomplete before I don't touch a very important topic of how to follow some oral care strategies for the senior patient. Because the senior patients have muscle weakness, they have arthritis, there are so many issues, they are not able to hold the brush properly. So all this dental treatment is of no use if the teeth are going to get decayed and the gum issues are going to be there, if the senior patient is not able to maintain all those things properly. So for this, there are 2-3 things which I would like to suggest to you if you are a senior person who is watching this, or a caregiver or a family person or a physician. First of all is use of fluoridated mouthwashes for the senior patients. Because many times it so happens that the senior patient can tend to neglect brushing his or her teeth. So, and just gargling is not sufficient to remove all the food lodged or all the plaque that is there. So, a fluoridated mouthwash will do 2-3 things. Many times the senior patients have sensitive teeth. So, that the fluoridated mouthwash, it will reduce the sensitivity. It will remove all the food that is lodged and it will reduce the chances of teeth decay drastically. Then what are the types of toothbrushes that the senior person has to use? There are 3 types of main toothbrushes. A modified soft toothbrush, whereas the brush will be bent slightly forward or bent slightly backward to help the senior citizen accommodate the brush very easily and brush all the surfaces from the inside above and below as well. And this type of brush not only the senior patient but the caregivers can also use. Another type of brush is the interproximal brush. It is a small, pointed kind of brush. See, many times what happens, the teeth of the senior patient, they are eroded, they are abraded. There are a lot of gaps between the teeth. So it is very useful to use this interproximal brush to clean in between the teeth, as well as to apply any antiseptic gels to the teeth or the gums. And another important brush is electric brush. Many times if the senior patient is not having a good dexterity, if they are not able to brush properly manually with their hands, then an electric brush will definitely help the senior patient, and also it will help the caregiver who is trying to brush their teeth and it will be very effective for good oral hygiene in the senior patients. So with this, I hope this lecture series comes to an end, and I hope that this information has been very useful to all of you. I am going to keep posting more and more tips on senior dental care. I would say for me, this is not just the end, but it is the beginning, I would say. So keep watching our YouTube channel, Dental Fitness and Care for All. Please subscribe to it. If you have any queries on senior dental care, you can call me or WhatsApp me on 9822910294. So this is Dr. Sneha Divekar, and I had a great time with all of you. Thank you so much.